Better though.
That one.
Why?
Because I love it.
Alright guys, I've just got through recording the Scotch egg video. So part of the way through that, my daughter comes in and helps me out. So that's actually quite an interesting experience. I do actually cook with my daughter quite often. And it's just a bit of fun. Obviously keep her away from anything hot if you have your siblings cooking with you. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe if you do, and hopefully I can make more. In fact, send some comments down below. Tell me what you think, or even suggestions for other videos for cooking stuff. Thinking of doing some with cookies and stuff. Anyway, enjoy the show. Bye. Hi guys, Kaden for Kaden Reports here, and I'm making Scotch eggs. Scotch eggs. Loads of Scotch eggs. There's going to be a few jump cuts in this. There's a dog down there. What do you do? Anyway, I need more than that. I need loads more. I have my meat, which I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good to have a spare egg. Anyway, and then I'm going to put it over there and put it on the boil jump cut. Okay, so for the next stage, we need 2 bowls. And we also need a couple of eggs whisked up. The last but not least, we need some breadcrumbs. I get the already made up breadcrumbs because it's just as cheap and quite easy to do. And that should do for that. They're breadcrumbs. Leave a bit inside and I'll show you why in a bit. Okay, next up, let's get the meat. Okay, and now we're ready for the next part. So, dump a bit of flour on the old chopping board. We'll take your meat, just give it a quick sprinkle over. Right, what I'll do next, give a few shakes of salt. Hopefully it's not too loud. A few shakes of pepper. Right, and we're going to actually make 2 today. I'm going to make 1 which is done in the oven, or a couple in the oven, and then the rest in a frying pan, in the chip fryer, sorry. Okay, so basically you need to keep it nice. I don't know how many I'm going to get out of this. I normally use 2 packs, but I normally use too much. So there you go. So I'd break a piece of meat off like that. Flatten it down. Might not be enough. Take your egg in the middle, scoop it up. And then the aim, and trust me, you may be tempted to put more thicker ones in. Oh. 1 second. You want a big spoon? Let's get you a big spoon. There you go. Yes, my hands are dirty. Sorry guys. Invaded by the younger generation. Okay, so let's try and finish this off. So you want your meat to go all the way around. Once you got it where you want it, you then do that. Okay, so so we're not hanging around too much. See the egg. Give me 1 second. Right, simply put, you have your egg in meat. As I said, don't make it too thick, otherwise it will not cook properly. Trust me. Dump that in there. Loads of them on top. And then just prod it around. You have 2 choices. That is enough, fry it, or double dip it back in there, mix it all around again. This is messy. I think a single shot next time. Oh no, it's come out all right. And then what you want to do, pick it up. This is the bit where you need to be careful. to get an adult to help you with this and just pop it straight into there. Leave it a little bit, move it around, and we'll get back to it. Okay, so let's, again, just to show it as it is, tip it over and just keep it going. It's hard to tell when it's actually cooked. It should go like a darker brown. It should go a nice little dark brown. See how you feel. Shouldn't take too many minutes. Just keep it going. Okay, so for something different, you can add whatever you want to them. Black pudding, this is jalapenos. Okay, same principle. Then just do the procedure again. And as I said, once it's all done like that, see the little bits of peppers, and then just go through the procedure again. Okay guys, so that's the one done. Bring this 3 to the oven 200, and that's my other 2 for the oven now, and we'll check on how to see the difference. Okay guys, so that is them done, nice and, as you can hear, crispy, which they should be. The ones in the oven, quite a while to go. I'm not even sure how they're going to turn out. I'm still cooking another 2 in here, now that I've tidied up and everything. And I've got one that's out, I'm just waiting. So yeah, hopefully the ones in the oven. So the oven ones obviously take a lot longer than the ones just doing in the fryer, so you know, that's just something that you're going to have to pick within yourself. One's healthier, takes hardly any time. One's not healthy, takes a lot more to cook. Yeah, basically you can see the difference. What's the difference?
That one.
That's different to that one. Reason why?
Yeah.
Yes, the reason why. Well, as you can see,
They're
one's
not the same.
no, they're not the same, are they?
No.
So one's broken for a start. That's the one that went in the oven. So for some reason that hasn't held itself, and the other one's obviously darker. And yeah, that one seems a bit more firmer. What do you reckon?
A bit is.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's cut into them.
Can I cut the other one?
Okay, carefully.
Okay.
Whoa! Whoa! Let's get rid of the knife. This one, admittedly, has only just come out of the oven.
Yeah.
This
And that one come out of there.
Chip fry, yep. So this one's more healthy
Yeah.
because it was cooked in the oven. This one is
Not healthy.
no, but that one's better, and this one isn't.
No.
It looks better though.
Put that one
Why?
because I love it.
Well, there we go. Well, that's more healthy, less healthy, better looking if it's less healthy.
And not healthy.
No, that's not.
No.
So we'll eat this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I wonder what the difference in taste is.
I tried this.
Mm-hmm.
I tried the egg.
It's hot, don't forget.
Hot. I tried the head.
Mm.
Not healthy.
Right, try this one then. Yeah.
After I finish.
Yeah,
Hot.
blow on it. Yeah, that's why it's hot. Oh, it's going to be hot. Not.
Blow it, Dad.
Yeah, try that, please. You keep stopping it. Try that, please.
I want a big piece.
Just try the little bit. It's very all
Yay, healthy.
There we go. Okay, so healthy wins. It does actually taste better. It really does. So I'm going to have to look into how to get them to hold their shape. Maybe a bit more milk. Yeah, so anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope this helps. I mean, if someone hasn't got anything whatsoever out of this, then let me know.
Yeah.
And I'll do another cooking video. I've got some taste tests. Cooking video. Anyway, like, subscribe, and thank you. Goodbye. Say bye-bye.